Everyone, so this my video is related to the opportunity in Loughborough University, England, in 3D printing. So as you see now in your PDF Global, what we are doing is we are making dedicated playlist of particular area of research. Like when we talk about 3D printing or rapid prototyping or additive manufacturing, that is one domain. So those of you who are interested to pursue your higher education, let's say PhD or postdoctorate fellowship or MS in 3D printing, they can go to the playlist of your PDF Global YouTube channel, and they will find a lot of opportunities there. They will also find which professors are to be approached, because these guys are working in this field. So the moment you see these videos, you understand, okay, this is one of the opportunity, and then you start mailing the professor, seeing their areas. So let me share my screen with you and tell you that what is this opportunity. So the moment you go to Loughborough University, additive manufacturing is one of the domain, and this is the project which is going on there. Additive manufacturing of tools for plastic injection molding. Understand? So this is the project. Don't bother about this. I mean, this is related to those who want to go immediately or something. So application deadline is 30 June 2023. So who can go? Mechanical, electrical, manufacturing, engineering domain students can go. And what is the project detail? You can see that also. So this detail may he will talk about, what is the application of this aerospace and energy sector mein. And this is the project which is actually in consortium between Loughborough University and British innovative industrial partner Photocentric Limited. The moment you explore further what is Photocentric Limited, so you will understand, okay, this is the industry. Many times students ask that once we do masters or PhD, what industry we can get into. So these are the kind of industries where you can think of joining jobs after your doctorate or something. So 3D printed batteries to transform energy storage. So that can be very good, work research area, because batteries, future belongs to batteries. So this is going to solve a global problem, as it is rightly said, and you will have a lot of opportunities. So what are the various additive manufacturing techniques? He has very clearly mentioned this. I want you to go through it. Those of you who are doing 3D printing, those who are pursuing rapid prototyping or additive manufacturing courses, they can go through this detail, and you can see what industry is doing, right? How they are working forward in that. So go through this entire thing. What are the advantages of that, and what these guys are focusing on, what they are working on. So creating batteries designed to fit the machine, that is what they are doing. And maybe if you see this small video is also there, they must have explained in detail about that, so that will give you an idea. Very short,
We have been working on lot of for example,
Okay, so when we say that what can be the project in which area I can go, this is the case study. 3D printed solid state batteries with controlled geometry. Photocentric. This company has recently completed a project focused on developing custom formulated material to enable solid state battery manufacture with the bespoke of configuration. I think that is what is written, and when you read more, you will get more idea about this. So you keep on reading, and you get what is the thing which you can do. So what is the impact, what is the outcome of this entire work. You can go through, you can read this thing. So 3D printing solid state batteries with controlled geometry. Those of you who are pursuing their masters can get an idea about this. Formulation of electrode and electrolyte resin for subsequent 3D printing. So if you do your master's project, or if you do your PhD project on this particular topic, then you know that yes, there is a company which you can always bank upon on, and you can always join that this particular company which is working on this. And also the university, Loughborough University, I'll also tell you the professor who is working on this field, so you always have this. So develop the idea of your project in masters from these kind of research which is already going on in the industry. You go through, spend some time in this, and then you start working on this particular fields. So that is what actually is this project. And when once you go down, you'll find that Ishan Sabet, no, this Dr. Hassan Sabet is the researcher, actually supervisor, and maybe you can contact him that you want to join under his guidance. But before you contact him, you should have some idea, okay, what you are working. Their mail IDs and everything is provided. You need to very clearly tell them why you want to join under their guidance. You understand what is their background and how they can go for it, so you can find it out, and then you can approach these kind of guys for further research. So this entire thing was related to this opportunity, additive manufacturing. This is one of the opportunities. Keep watching Europedia and keep watching the playlist related to various research areas, from where you can get an idea where you want to pursue your higher education further. So all the very best, and make the purposeful research in your domain of area. Thank you.